Have you ever dreamed of composing your own music but felt like you lacked the technical skills or the necessary knowledge of music theory? Well, the future of music creation is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine having a virtual assistant who can help you compose, arrange, and produce your music with ease. No need for a piano or a deep understanding of complex music theory. AI-powered software is transforming the way we create music, and it's available to anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into how you can create your own music using AI-powered software, no matter your experience level. You'll discover the tools that can help you compose melodies, generate harmonies, produce beats, and even mix and master your tracks, all with the assistance of cutting-edge AI technology. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of AI to elevate your musical journey. First, let's talk about what AI-powered music software really is. At its core, AI music software uses algorithms to analyze vast amounts of music data and generate new compositions based on learned patterns. These tools can help you write music in various genres, suggest chord progressions, create arrangements, and even adjust tempos or instrumentation to suit your style. Think of AI as your musical collaborator there to help bring your ideas to life, without needing to spend years learning the ins and outs of music theory or mastering an instrument. The key to creating music with AI is finding the right software that fits your needs. Some AI-powered music software tools are designed for beginners who may have no prior knowledge of music, while others cater to more advanced musicians looking for specific tools to enhance their compositions. Let's start with one of the most user-friendly AI music creation tools available today, Amper Music. This platform allows anyone to create custom music tracks by simply selecting a genre, mood, and tempo. You don't need to know anything about music theory or even be able to play an instrument. With Amper, you can create background music for videos, podcasts, or just for fun. You can also adjust the mood, energy, and instrumentation to match the vibe you're going for. What makes Amper truly powerful is its simplicity. You can create professional-sounding tracks within minutes, all with the help of AI. If you're looking for more control and flexibility, you might want to check out IVA. IVA Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist is an AI composer that's been trained on a massive library of classical music. It's perfect for those who want to compose orchestral music or create cinematic soundtracks. You can provide IVA with a few parameters, such as tempo, mood, and key, and it will generate a composition that you can then fine-tune. IVA even allows you to export the sheet music and make adjustments manually if needed. To manually write each part, for those who are into electronic music or beat making, Jukebox by OpenAI is an excellent option. Jukebox is an AI model capable of generating high-quality music in various genres, including hip-hop, rock, and electronic. With Jukebox, you can input a genre and some basic parameters, and the AI will generate a complete track. What makes Jukebox unique is its ability to create complex, multi-instrumental compositions. You can input vocals or lyrics, and the AI will adapt the music to match your vocal style. It's a game-changer for electronic music producers, allowing you to explore new sonic landscapes and experiment with sound without spending hours in the studio. SoundDraw is another innovative AI music creation tool that's gaining popularity. It's especially useful for content creators who need royalty-free music. SoundDraw uses AI to create unique compositions based on the parameters you provide, such as genre, mood, and even the length of the track. You can customize the music further by adjusting the arrangement or selecting different sections of the track to fit your needs. It's a great option for YouTubers, game developers, and filmmakers looking for custom music that fits their specific project. Let's now shift focus to another aspect of AI music creation, AI-driven music production and mixing. While AI can help you compose music, it can also assist with the production process. Tools like Lander and Acret Music use AI to analyze your track and make adjustments to enhance its overall sound. For example, Lander's AI will analyze your song's frequency range and make recommendations for how to equalize your track for the best possible sound. It also provides automatic mastering, which ensures that your song will sound polished and professional. Acret Music uses AI to create both melodies and background music that can fit specific needs, such as cinematic scenes, advertisements, or YouTube videos. It uses machine learning to adapt and create the right mood and style based on user input. Whether you need a peaceful piano piece or an intense orchestral score, Icret's AI can generate tracks that fit the vibe you're going for. Once you have your music created, you'll want to make sure it's polished and ready for release. This is where AI-powered mastering tools come in. Isotope Zone is one of the most popular AI-powered mastering tools. It uses machine learning to analyze your track and apply the right mastering techniques to ensure your song sounds its best across different platforms and devices. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and share it with others who might be interested in using AI to create their own music. Don't forget to subscribe for more content about how AI is transforming creativity across various industries. Keep creating, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying the music-making process.